study finds how to upsurge the survival time of stem cells. Every year, millions suffer from ischemic diseases like heart attacks, strokes, or limb ischemia, caused by blocked blood vessels that cut off blood flow and oxygen, leading to tissue damage or death. Scientists have long hoped that stem cells could help by forming new blood vessels and healing damaged tissues. But there's a problem: most stem cells die soon after being injected, making them less effective. Now, a team led by Dr. Lino Ferreira from the University of Coimbra, in collaboration with MIT's Langer Lab, has developed a game-changing solution. They discovered that attaching a protein called VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, to tiny particles helps stem cells survive longer after injection. Even more, they found a key player, a molecule called microRNA 17. Reducing this molecule in stem cells mimics the effect of VEGF, helping the cells survive longer and restore blood flow. In tests, these modified stem cells brought dying tissues back to life, forming new blood vessels and preventing limb loss. This breakthrough could lead to better stem cell therapies for heart disease, stroke, and more, offering new hope where treatments were once limited.